How to find Bybit wallet address. Let's get started. Launch your Bybit app. Here we go. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You will land to the home page. Once you're in the home page, here you're going to find different options. Click on the option of more. Now navigate to the option of deposit. Click on it. Here you will see a list of cryptocurrencies. For our example, I will choose Bitcoin. Once you select Bitcoin, you will need to choose a network. On Bybit, Bitcoin transactions are carried out on the BTC network. Once you have selected the BTC network, your Bitcoin wallet address will appear. Simply click on Copy to copy your wallet address. It's crucial to ensure that when you are sending crypto to this address, you will select same coin and network on the sending wallet. As I haven't verified my Bybit account, it is not showing the option. But once you verify your account, you will be good to go. You will be able to find your address in this page. Well, this is how you can easily find and copy your Bitcoin wallet address. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.